Hi everyone, it's Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a new paper pad that I purchased from Altenew and some cards that I made with that paper pad. I also have a new die that I purchased from Aliexpress that I want to share with you. So let's get started. So first up is the paper pad. It's from Altenew and it's the poured acrylic 6x6 paper pad. It's 24 sheets, 80-pound cardstock, 2 sheets of each design, 12 unique designs. So it's really pretty. The only slight negative for me is that the paper is kind of slick, and I'm not used to working with slick paper. So let's take a look at it. How pretty is this? And it just looks like poured acrylic, like it says. Really pretty designs. Look at that green. Hope I'm in camera. All right, and let me scoot over a little. I think I'm off a little bit. Look how pretty that is. I'm sitting here filming and hoping that my electricity doesn't go out because it's raining cats and dogs out there. So sick of the rain here in California, but we Californians always say, but we need it. We're sick of the rain, but we need it. So more rain today and wind. So look at this color. Isn't that pretty? So I think you get more than 2 designs of each, because this is the, well, maybe just because it's the back side. I don't know. Then we have the green, and then that's it. And then the back sheet is really cute because it has these little squares that you could possibly cut out and use, as ephemera. So that's the paper pad. So let me show you the die set. So this is just a little inexpensive die I've got from Aliexpress, and it's the happy birthday with the scripted birthday, and then the back piece is the outline. And I'll show you how I put this together. But first, let's take a look at the cards. So first up, we have this really pretty purple letters with the white border. Really super simple. And then the next one with the blue and yellow and black. And I just bordered this with black. And all the paper that I normally use, the colored paper, is basil that I get from Joann. I have tons of it. And then the last one, this one, and I used some little gems from Pretty Pink Posh, kind of pop those up. And then I used some dimensional tape to kind of pop this up a little. And on this one I used 3 layers. So yeah, that one, super cute, super simple. So let me show you how this die set works. So you have the bottom piece, right? And then you have your scripty happy birthday, which I thought would look pretty in blue. So then you cut out your happy, and so this is what I do to make sure I get it even. Man, it's really raining hard. So I put the letters back into the die cut piece. And then this will assure me that I have them evenly spaced, which of course you can put them any way you want, but it won't fit on this piece unless it's evenly spaced. So then put that down like that and make sure they're locked in. And then I use this micro pour tape, and which I'm almost out of, and I really need to get some more. I think this is the end of the roll. So then I put it on the back of the letters. Or do I put it on the front? I think I put it on the front. Yeah, and I'm messing up already at my little tutorial. So we put it on the front. How funny. It's the rain. And then you pop them out through the front. And then you pull each letter off. Make sure you get each one. You move that aside, and then you put your glue. So the only glue that I'm currently using is the art glitter glue. I've been using it for a few years now. I've tried the others, but this one is my favorite. It's not as forgiving as far as being, moving your projects around. You almost have to be really on target because this glue dries pretty fast. But I love it. It's all I use. So then you're gonna take your letters, and then they go up top here. I'm gonna kind of get your spacing pretty good. Hope I'm in the... And then you can just kind of rub them, hold them down a little bit. Oops. Man, that one doesn't want to come off. And then pull those letters off, the tape off. And then you can make sure, so my Y is kind of wonky, and I just pull it over and set it down where I want it. And I think that looks pretty darn good. So then you're gonna take your birthday, and I always use these reversible tweezers, and you're gonna glue it up. Try not to put a lot of glue because I usually use a lot of layers on my cards, and you know, just glue just kind of warps sometimes, and your whole card is warped, and you don't want that. So just a little bit of glue. Close it up so my lid won't clog, and then I turn it this way because I'm a lefty, and then I kind of go by the Y. I don't know why, but I do. That was a bad joke. Anyway, you're gonna place it down and then tap it and turn it and make sure it looks as good as you want it to look. And then adhere it down. And there you go. And then if I make another card, let's see which paper I think would go, excuse me, with this one. I don't know. Maybe the blue that I used previously. You know, cutting it more toward that end, or maybe this way to get it more on the lighter side, whatever side card you want to make. So I thought I'd share that with you. That's how I made sure the letters were pretty straight. So let me know what you think of the paper below. Tell me which card do you like the most. You like the black and gray and silver, or you like the blue and yellow and black, or do you like the purple and blue? Just really simple cards. Put them in your stash, ready to give them out at the last minute. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. To all my subscribers, thanks for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.